Hi there, Big Al. What we're doing today is getting back into gardening, but all we're gonna do is just like plant a tree and discuss my watering techniques. First of all, you can see I've got the timer on, so it's basically turn it on and let it set, turns itself off. And now what I've done is added this little two-way thing there, so now I can stretch out my sprinkling just two places at the once and get the job with the least amount of effort. So what I've done here is I have bought a Strawberry Guava. I get really yummy fruit. So this one is more like a tropical jungle style, but absolutely amazing to eat. And what I'm going to do with it, of course, is what I've done everywhere else, is plant some flowers and such around it as well. And I've got some climbing beans that I might dig a little hole and plant most of the seeds, because there's not many in the packet, on that old play fort that they can climb up that. So let's get into it, eh? Maybe I should have watered the ground around it a bit further, because it is as hard as nails. Hey ho, hey ho, it's off to work we go. Because I want a good base of stuff for the new rocks to go, so the roots can get in and it can grow and give me heaps of fruit. And that's the theory behind it all. Anyway, I'll use there's rocks down there. Okay, that's a pretty decent sized hole for that size pot. Actually, I'll get a bit of fertilizer for there as well. Next time I go to the nursery, someone needs to remind me to buy some dynamic lifter. Bit of chicken poo. Just a little bit, eh? Not too much of that stuff. Get that in. More depth. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, I'm to do my little climbing bean garden. got to probably use the other bag that I got over there, not just this one. So what I'll do with this one, actually, I've got some flower seeds. I'll put the flower seeds around for now and see how we go. Just a cottage garden mix. There we go. Some of them at least will come up. So fucking beautiful. And you know what? I actually can't be bothered digging that. Got a little plank of wood there that'll work as an edge. You spread the seeds out, put the potting mix over the top, and voila. So I'll go get the potting mix. So this is Big Al's Outback lazy garden. Do shit the lazy way that works, you know what I mean? There's no point doing stuff if it's just going to go to shit, you know what I mean? You want it to work. So these are snake beans. There's probably a dozen, if that, for your money.